Welcome to my garden. I want to share with you today the first bloom on my cypress vine. It's made like a star. Look how cute it is. And it's a trumpet shape, so the hummingbirds love it. There's a new bud showing, and it's on a healthy cypress vine. I planted it in a pot from this seed pack, and it's multiple colors, red, white, and pink. The first bloom is red, and the second bud is also red. The blooms are small, about an inch to an inch and a half. These beautiful flowers are from seed loved by pollinators. They love full sun, about an inch of water per week, and they bloom in the summer and the fall. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.